Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to use music haptics for a sensory music experience in iOS 18. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This section provides various options to enhance your device's usability. Now tap on Touch. Here, you can find settings related to how your iPhone responds to touch. Now scroll down and turn the toggle on for vibration. This setting ensures that your iPhone vibrates for various notifications and interactions. Now go back to the Accessibility menu and tap on Music Haptics. This feature allows you to experience vibrations that sync with the music you play. Then, turn the toggle on for Music Haptics. This will enable haptic feedback that corresponds to the rhythm and beats of the music. Next, tap on Play Sample to test how the haptic feedback feels. You should feel vibrations that enhance your listening experience, making the music feel more immersive. After trying the sample, you can exit the settings. Now, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can start playing your favorite music. With Music Haptics enabled, you should feel the vibrations responding to the beat and intensity of the music as you listen, providing a unique sensory experience. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.